How to frame your puzzle. Slide your puzzle onto one of the supplied cardboard sheets. Place the other on top of the puzzle. With them both pressed firmly together, rotate your puzzle face down. Make sure all the puzzle pieces are well connected and the puzzle is flat. Run your hands over the puzzle to make sure all the pieces are level and the back is smooth. Take your puzzle mounting liner and peel away a small amount from one side. Carefully line it up so it is centered over the back of the puzzle. The puzzle mounting liner should be slightly smaller than the puzzle itself. If it is not, use your scissors and trim it so that it is approximately the same size to 1/4 of an inch smaller than the puzzle. Press firmly to adhere the mounting liner to the puzzle where the adhesive is exposed. Reach underneath the mounting liner and slowly pull away the release liner while pressing the board down onto the puzzle. Press on the puzzle firmly to make sure it is well adhered to the puzzle mounting liner. Remove the white foam core backing from the puzzle frame. You may need to bend the securing points inside the perimeter of the frame to accomplish this. Note the pre-drilled holes. These should be located about 1/3 from the top of the frame. Press the puzzle firmly in place. Lay the white foam core backing behind it and press down firmly. Bend the securing points around the perimeter of the frame downward so the puzzle is secured in the frame. Now you can screw in the D-rings for the hanging hardware. Tie the line to each D-ring with a firm knot. The wire should be straight but have some give. Cut away any excess wire. Your frame is ready to hang. Contact FinerWorks by email or phone if you have any questions. Our email address is customercare@finerworks.com. Our phone number is 800-567-8594. Our website is FinerWorks.com. Thank you for watching.